Okay, tools you will need: two 15mm spanners, 10mm spanner, 4mm Allen key or 4mm Allen screwdriver, and a short nosed Phillips screwdriver. These are the tools you'll need to change the XL frame hub BFR. Okay, to start with we need to take the back cover off, which is two 4mm Allen cut bolts here and here, and two Phillips screws here and here on either side, and you need to take those off first to remove the back cover. Then you need to take the chain guard cover off, which is a 10mm bolt at the front, and I'll show you this in a minute. Right then, with the cart turned upside down, take the seat off and then rest it on the steering wheel and on the back wheels. Next you need to do is take the chain guard cover off, which is a 13mm spanner for this bolt. Take that off, and this will show the chain going down to the rear BF hub. Now I've undone the screws on this as well, so this will come off now to show the hub. And this is the hub system with a small chain going to the back wheels for the drive. You've got the adjusters on either end. So this is what we're going to replace today. Undo these adjusters on the end. Don't take the nuts right off the end, like that and that. Undo these nuts on the ends, but don't take them right off because it makes it so much harder to put back together. So leave those on, and the next step is to remove the chain. Now everything on the back of the drive shaft, and it don't have to touch any of that. So what you need to do is get the chain off the sprocket. Take the chain off the sprocket like that for the drive on the back, and take the chain off the front that goes to the front sprocket. And now you can take the hub out. Always remember that the small chain goes on the inside sprocket when you put the new one in. And that's that taken out. Right, the new hub, which comes with all the fixtures and the brackets to adjust the tension of the chain, and you also get a diagram of how you should fit it. The small chain here goes on first. You don't need to put them straight on the sprocket straight away, they can just go on like that. And the drive chain to the front sprocket goes on the first one, like that. Like I said, just put them on like that for now. Okay, remember to put the brackets in the hole, get your tensioners set up, make sure that the washers are on the outside of the brackets. Slide into the bracket like that, with your tensioners on the end. Put your chain back on, drive sprocket that goes to the front pedals like that, and then put the rear sprocket chain over, just give it a turn round. That's the back one on. Tighten up your adjusters. You don't want the chain too tight. Tighten up your hub. Don't want the chain too tight.